Hi, I'm Jamie Springer and I'm a student at Shadow Ridge High School. I'm in my third year of the Business and Marketing program here. In this class, during your first couple years, you're going to learn things like the basics of business, the 4 Ps, price, product, placement, promotion. You're going to work your way up to the third and fourth years that we offer at this program, and you're going to learn things like project charters and business management. Students who want to participate in this program will learn life skills that you can learn absolutely anywhere that you go. We learn everything from working into a business to owning a business and everything in between. My personal favorite part of this class is working in the fan shop. Let's go take a look at it. So, in the fan shop, we sell everything from shirts to stickers to chapstick. In this part of our program, you have your first year students who are going to be working with selling, cash handling, customer service, things like that. Your second year, you're going to be a supervisor, so you get a little bit more power. Your third and fourth years, though, you're going to be in the management roles. These management roles allow you to handle finances, scheduling, and all sorts of other things that make you the big gun. Other things that you can do with the fan shop is going into the snack bar. The snack bar is where you're going to be spending most of your work experience, and you're going to be able to work before school, during lunch, and after school with lots and lots of customer service with all the kids on campus. Another part of our program that is my absolute favorite is our partnering organization, DECA. In DECA, we get to compete and learn about leadership and all things like that, and network with kids all around the country. If you would like to know more about the Business and Marketing program here at Shadow Ridge, you can contact your counselors or visit our website. We hope to see you in our program.